You think you're winning. You pay your credit card off in full every month. No interest. Free cashback. You're basically robbing the bank, right? Yeah, about that. I have some bad news. The credit card companies absolutely love you. You're not beating them. You're their favorite type of customer. Today, I'll show you exactly why and what they're doing every time you swipe that you can't see. Quick poll. How do you think credit card companies make money? Most people, if you ask them, give you one word: interest. The logic goes that if you don't carry a balance, you're getting everything for free. Sounds reasonable. Also completely wrong. Visa runs a 50% profit margin. MasterCard's about the same. And most of that money is not, I repeat, not, coming from people drowning in credit card debt. So where is it coming from? It's coming from you. Even when you pay in full, you just can't see it. Here's the trick. Every time you tap or swipe your credit card, the merchant pays a fee, around 2 to 3% of the transaction. It's called interchange, and most of it lands in the pocket of the bank that gave you the card. You go out for $100 dinner, the restaurant gets $97.50. $2.50, quietly walk out the door into your bank's pocket. You paid no interest. You did nothing wrong. The bank still got paid. Okay, sure, that's good to know, but that's the restaurant's problem, not mine. The restaurant doesn't eat that cost. They raise prices to cover it. Every menu, every shelf, every Amazon listing has a credit card fee baked into the price. You're paying it. You just never see it on a receipt. And here's the kicker. Cash users are paying it too. So when grandma pays cash at the grocery store, she is literally subsidizing the guy behind her flexing his platinum card. Always remember, the real price of the product or service you are paying for is before the charge that banks give to merchants. You could have been saving another 2 to 3% on those goods, but companies won't tell you that, would they? Okay, what you are thinking is, but I get 2% cash back, right? Are you though? The bank got 2.5% from the merchant and handed you back 2. Kept the spread. You came back tomorrow and bought lunch. They did it again and again and again. Cashback isn't a reward, it's a loyalty program. It's the casino comping you a free drink to keep you at the slot machine. Every swipe makes them money. Guaranteed. Risk-free, no chance of you defaulting. This is why banks love customers who pay in full. You spend more and you feel smart while doing it. You're not their problem, you're their dream. Let me put it this way. Interchange is just the appetizer. They have a whole menu. Don't forget the annual fees, that shiny metal card that costs $500 a year. They're betting you'll use it just enough to feel justified, but never enough to fully offset the fee. For example, let's say you decided to travel to Paris. You will have to face foreign transaction fees. You tap your card and they skim another 2 to 3% on top of the interchange they're already collecting on the same swipe, the float. Your spending sits in their hands for 30 days before you pay the bill. That's billions of dollars they earn interest on, yours, and data. They know exactly what you buy, when, where, and how often. That information gets packaged and sold to advertisers, to retailers, to hedge funds, anyone who'll pay. So here's the lesson, and this is the part that changes how you see the whole system. Credit cards are designed so that everyone pays. Heavy spenders pay through interchange. Debt carriers pay through interest. Travelers pay through FX fees. Cash users pay through inflated prices. There is no exit, and it gets worse. The system is actually regressive. Studies show that cash users who tend to be lower in income effectively transfer money to card users who tend to be higher income with the best rewards cards. The poor are quietly subsidizing the rich. This isn't a bug. This is a business model. So when you say, I pay in full, I'm beating them, sorry, friend, you didn't beat them. You're the prototype customer. So what do you actually do with this? 3 rules. 1, never ever carry a balance. The moment you pay interest, the casino owns you. A 20 to 30% APR will eat you alive. This is the only rule that actually matters. The rest is optimization. This one is survival. 2, if you're going to play, play to win. Pick the highest cashback card that actually matches how you spend. Groceries, fuel, travel. 3, and this is the big one. Know the difference between winning and playing well. You're not beating the credit card company. Nobody is. But once you see the game clearly, you stop being a pawn and start being a competent player. So next time someone tells you they're beating the credit card company by paying in full, just smile and nod. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let me know what topic you would like me to discuss next. See you in the next one.